Rallying is a very serious form of motorsports racing, both for man as well as the machine. You're taking on different terrains, you are doing hundreds of kilometers in a day, over a week or maybe even two as far as the Dakar is concerned. And as far as this kind of competitive racing goes, manufacturers actually have a bike specially built for that, especially for rallying. Well, a stock bike cannot take that much beating, but you have to do some modifications to it and you can probably participate. And that is exactly what two Spanish blokes did. They took the Triumph Tiger, did some modifications to it and entered the Pan-Africa Rally. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? They managed to finish second in it. And that was the Triumph Tiger Tramontana. And we have it here at EICMA 2018. Let's have a look at it. The Tramontana first came to life after this, the Tiger 800 XCX. And these two Spanish blokes that I speak of, David and Felipe Lopez, they worked on the motorcycle for just 6 months and they have managed to redesign the bodywork, work around it, and now the Tramontana weighs in 20 kilos lighter than this motorcycle. Of course, it's a rally motorcycle. The suspension will have to be changed. The one that you see on the Tramontana is an Olin suspension setup, 300 mm of travel on the front as opposed to the 200 mm that we have right here. There are new custom triple clamps in place and the motorcycle also gets an aero exhaust. The frame has not been redesigned as such, but the subframe has been redesigned to accommodate a couple of components, especially in a rally bike where most of the manufacturers have a fuel tank at the very end, additional fuel tank that is. Again, a rally motorcycle will have a tall windscreen, vertically stacked headlamps, you'll have a navigation tower, and a lot of other components are being used to improve mass centralization. But apart from that, the airbox and the fuel tank continue to remain the same. As you can see, the focus was on making the bike purely functional. Anything that didn't serve a purpose in rallying was ditched to make it lighter. Now, this bike was purpose-built to tackle the blistering heat and treacherous terrain of the African desert. Now, when you look at this motorcycle, it will remind you of the T7 Tenere concept, but that motorcycle also has gone ahead and taken production form. We have seen that at EICMA 2018 in the form of the Tenere 700. There has been no official confirmation from Triumph on the Tramontana taking production form, but looking at Yamaha doing that, I hope Triumph has actually pulled up their socks and we hope to see a production version of this motorcycle very soon. You already have the KTM 790 Adventure that was also seen at EICMA 2018, and all these motorcycles, when you jam them together, I hope we have an interesting shootout in the future. And with that, we draw our curtains at the Triumph Pavilion here at EICMA 2018. Like I've been saying this from the past, 25-30 videos, I shall be back with some more motorcycles from the Milan Motorcycle Show.